Good morning, everyone. This is meteorologist Steve Lindenberg with the National Weather Service in Springfield, Missouri. This morning, I'll be giving a weather brief for the weekend outlook with a variety of weather potentially affecting the area. Our key points will be with the hot weather today, the strong to severe storms later today and tonight, a limited flooding risk, and additional strong to severe weather during the weekend. For today, we're looking for the heat and humidity to continue a little bit cooler than the past few days, but still we're looking at heat index values getting into the 90s, upper 80s and low 90s across the area. As we head into the afternoon hours, we're looking at a chance of severe storms to develop as a boundary moves into the area. The best chance will be this afternoon into the overnight hours. And our main risk will be hail to the size of quarters and winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. And we do have a timing graphic for this, looking at mainly starting after 1 o'clock for the best chance of stronger to severe storms. Before that, we could see a few scattered storms develop, but they should be sub-severe. And then as we get into this yellow area, 4 p.m. to around 9 p.m. will be the best potential, especially in the Joplin, Springfield, Branson, and Rolla areas. Further south and east of that may approach severe limits, but we're not expecting anything widespread severe. Again, the strongest storms will be between 4 p.m. and 9 p.m., with the main risk being hail and damaging winds. That heavy rain will accompany the stronger storms, and while we're not expecting widespread flooding with this event, with the recent heavy rains that we had last week and significant flooding, if storms can move over the same areas, there will be a risk of over an inch of rain, and that could cause some localized flooding to develop. Heading into Saturday, there's no longer a slight risk of severe weather. It's been downgraded to a marginal risk, and we could see hail to the size of quarters and winds up to 60 miles per hour across the area. Sunday, there's another frontal boundary that should move into the area, and we are expecting a chance of strong to severe storms again across the entire area, with hail to the size of quarters and winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The main risk will be during the afternoon and evening hours. And if looking at the heavy rainfall and excessive rainfall outlook, it covers most of our area for, again, that marginal risk. Again, if storms can move over the same area, they have the potential of producing over an inch of rain, and some limited localized flooding will be possible. We do have the end of the school year coming up, and lots of graduations are planned starting this weekend. Also, a lot of camping and outdoor activities are planned. So if you are outdoors this weekend, be sure to check on the weather. Keep an eye on warnings, watches. Be prepared to move inside if thunderstorms develop. And also moving to higher ground if flooding or flood watch or warnings are issued for your area. Those streams can rise pretty quickly, especially with the recent heavy rains that we had last week. It's not going to take a lot to get those streams to rise. So Pay attention to the weather, have a source of getting your weather information, and be ready to take action if a warning is issued for your location. For additional resources, you can visit our website at weather.gov/Springfield, and we have lots of graphics and links to other graphics and pages across the Weather Service.